I discuss I discuss another model for uh, Wien's displacement law. This is the graph law. According to this question, graph is drawn. According to question, graph is given here. Here, this is T2, this is T3, this is T1. This is intensity is given here, wavelength is given here. Find the relation between temperatures nana. Okay, this is according to this graph, intensity taken as y-axis, wavelength taken as x-axis. Here, according to Wien's law, maximum radiation in this wave, this is the maximum radiation nana. This corresponding wavelength is lambda 2, T2 corresponding lambda 2. Similarly, T3 corresponding lambda 3, T1 corresponding lambda 1. To see here nana, wavelength taken corresponding maximum energy. Okay, this is in this curve, this is the maximum energy. This corresponding wavelength is lambda according to Wien's displacement law. Actually here, according to this is origin nana, lambda 1 is small, lambda 3 is medium, lambda 2 is large. According to this relation, lambda 2 greater than lambda 3 greater than lambda 1 ORR. అన్నిటికన్నా లీస్ట్ ఏంటి డయాగ్రామ్లో lambda 1. ఓకే, తర్వాత మీడియం ఏంటి lambda 3, తర్వాత హైయెస్ట్ ఏంటి lambda 2. ఓకే, but according to Wien's displacement law, lambda inversely proportional to temperature. Temperature and lambda inversely. So that's why here lambda 1 corresponding temperature is T1, lambda 3 corresponding temperature is T3, lambda 2 corresponding temperature is T2. Here inversely కాబట్టి less than అవుతుంది, greater అవుతుంది. This is the final relation between T1, T3 and T2. Next nana, again next problem nana, this is fifth problem I discuss. Next problem number sixth problem nana, to see here. Here also the wavelength of the maximum radiation is given 290 nanometer. It neatly write as 2.9 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Here nano indicate 10 power minus 9 meter. Here find the radiation of intensity of the star can be find out. Intensity of the star sun is the best example of black body nana. For black body emissivity value is 1 nana. Here generally intensity defined as power by area. What is the intensity definition? Power by area. Here power formula is according to Stefan's law, sigma A E T power 4 by, here write as area A. Okay, find intensity nana. Here intensity ante power by area nana. In the chapter, power formula is power emitted, emission of power is sigma A E T power 4. Here sun and star is nothing but the black body, E value becomes 1, here A cancel. Finally we get formula sigma into T power 4. Here sigma is Stefan's constant nana, its value becomes 5.67 into 10 power minus 8. What is the sigma value? 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 nana. This is the Stefan's constant value into wavelength equal to B by T. Here this is the formula for Wien's displacement law nana, because wavelength is given. So that's why according to this formula, temperature write as B by lambda whole power 4. Temperature write as B by lambda. Here neatly write as 5.67 into 10 power minus 8. Put B value is B value in the Wien's constant, its value always 2.9 into 10 power minus 3. Here substitute lambda value 2.9 into 10 power minus 7. 2.9 get cancelled. 10 power minus 7 above plus 7, 7 minus 3 4 nana, 10 power 4 whole power 4, 10 power 16. Finally we get 5.67 into 10 power 8. This is the formula for intensity nana. Intensity units is power by area. Power unit is watt, area unit is meter square. This is another model of Wien's displacement law nana. Okay. Next I discuss nana. Nana. Next problem number 8. Okay. A body cools from 70 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes nana. Keyword in the problem nana, cools nana, cools. Here to see the cool in the problem we apply Newton law of cooling nana. According to Newton law of cooling, what is the formula nana? dt by dt equal to K into Tb minus Ts. This is the, I can explain first video nana, video number 1 I can explain Newton law of cooling. Here dt equal to temperature difference nana, T1 minus T2. In the case here d small t indicate time difference nana, Tb indicate temperature of the body, it write as initial temperature, final temperature whole by 2. That means Tb is called as average temperature of the body. Okay, here look here now. Case 1, according to question, case 1, initial temperature of the body is 70 degrees Celsius to final temperature we get 50 degrees Celsius in a time is 5 minutes. That means simply called as 70 to 50. Nana, body temperature 70 to 50 in a time becomes 5 minutes nana. Here temperature of the surrounding is given 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. Here I substitute nana, dt indicate temperature difference 70 minus 50, 20 by time difference 5 minutes equal to K into Tb. Tb means average. 70 plus 50 by 2. 70 plus 50 by 2, 120 by 2, 60 minus Ts. This is equation number 2 nana. Okay. In the case 2, I discuss. Okay. Here, this is the final temperature. In the case 1, final temperature. Case 2 becomes initial temperature. This is 50 degrees Celsius nana. T2 can be calculated. Here, the time is given 10 minutes. That means 50 degrees nunchi some temperature reach out 40 or 30 or 20. Takes what time nana? 10 minutes. Okay. Find the T2 value nana. Here also I substitute equation 1. To see here nana, equation 1 dt means T1 minus T2. 50 minus T2 by time difference is 10 minutes equal to K into average temperature. Average temperature means both are add by 2. Okay. Tb minus surrounding temperature given 20 degrees Celsius. Here it can be neatly write as 50 minus T2 by 10 nana by 10 nana. Okay, equal to K into, here LCM nana, LCM is 2 nana. Here 50 plus T2 minus 40 nana here. Okay. Here look here nana, 50 minus T2 by 10 equal to K into, here 50 minus 40 nana, 10 plus T2 by 2 nana. Okay. This is equation number 3 nana. 3 by 2 I write as nana. 3 by 2. What is the 2 nana? 20 by 5. Okay. 20 by 5. 20 by 5. Here write as K nana. Equation 2 here. Equation 2 here. K into 60 minus Ts. But surrounding temperature is given 20. Okay. This is the ratio. Nana, equation 3 by equation 2. Here K what? Cancel. 5 how many times? 4 times. Neatly we get 50 minus T2 by 40 equal to, here 10 plus T2 by 2 into 60 minus 20 40 40 40 what nana cancel. Here cross multiply nana 50 into 200 minus 2 t2 equal to 10 plus t2. Here nana minus 2 t2 other side nana plus 2 t2. Okay, 3 t2 it becomes okay 100 minus 10 90 nana. What is the finally we get t2 becomes 30. Last problem in the class nana. Last problem in the class finally according to Newton law of cooling nana. Here look here nana. This is keyword in the problem also nana. Ninth problem, body will be cool nana. Cool. Here according to this case nana, rate of cooling is given directly dt by dt. Rate means time nana, cooling dt nana is given 4 degrees Celsius by minute. Okay, when the body temperature is 75 degrees Celsius. Okay, next nana, in the case 2, rate of cooling means dt by dt is given 2 degrees Celsius by minute nana. Here also temperature of the body is given 55 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature of the surrounding. Here nana, keyword in the problem body cool. Body cool means we apply Newton law of cooling nana. What is the Newton law of cooling nana? dt by dt equal to k into tb minus ts. Here nana, look here. Here nana, according to this here substitute. What is the dt by dt value according to case 1? 4. K constant. TB write as temperature of the body is given 75 minus Ts. Equation number 1 nana. Here according to this formula, what is the Newton law of cooling? dt by dt equal to K into TB minus Ts. dt by dt is given 2 equal to K into TB 55 minus Ts. Equation number 2. Here also equation 1 by 2. K what? Cancel. For how many times? 2 times. 2 equal to right side 75 minus Ts by 55 minus Ts. Cross multiply nana. 2 into 55 we get 110 minus 2 Ts equal to 75 minus Ts. Minus other side plus, number other side minus. 110 minus 75 nana we get 35. Minus 2Ts other side plus 2Ts. 2Ts minus Ts equal to 35 degrees Celsius. This is the surrounding temperature nana. To see these concepts, today I discuss 4 concepts: calorimetry, Wien's displacement law, Newton law of cooling, and again here black body. These 3 concepts or 4 concepts to revise more and get the good marks in the final exam. Okay.